AI isn't just the future, it's already here. But what if I told you that AI is doing things right now that sound like science fiction? In the next few minutes, you'll discover 10 hidden AI facts that are changing everything, from jobs to deepfakes, from crime prediction to mind-reading technology. And trust me. Fact number 10. It will blow your mind. Fact number 1, AI can read your mind. AI can now decode human thoughts using brain scans. Example, scientists at the University of Texas trained AI to translate brain activity into text. Imagine a world where AI knows what you're thinking, before you even say it. Fact number 2, AI can clone any voice in seconds. AI like 11 Labs can mimic anyone's voice with just a 3-second audio clip. Scary part. Scammers are using this tech for fake ransom calls. What if one day, someone calls your family, but it's not really you? Fact number 3, AI is creating Hollywood movies. AI is now writing scripts, directing scenes, and generating actors. Example, OpenAI's Sora can create high-quality AI-generated movies. Question for viewers, would you watch a movie made 100% by AI? Fact number 4, AI can predict crimes before they happen. Police in the USA are using AI-driven predictive policing to guess where crimes will happen next. Controversy, could this lead to discrimination? Is AI fair or biased? Fact number 5, AI can replace human doctors. AI like Google's DeepMind can diagnose diseases faster and more accurately than doctors. Real case, AI detected breast cancer 4 years earlier than a human doctor. Would you trust an AI to diagnose your health? Fact number 6, AI influencers are making millions. AI-generated influencers like Lil Miquela and AI KOLs in China are getting brand deals and sponsorships. Question, would you follow an AI influencer if they looked real? Fact number 7, AI is replacing customer service jobs. AI-powered chatbots are taking over call centers, fast food orders, and online support. McDonald's and Wendy's are testing AI drive-thru employees. Next time you order a burger, it might be an AI taking your order. Fact number 8, AI can generate fake news and deepfakes. AI-generated deepfakes can spread fake news, create political scandals, and impersonate real people. Example, in 2024, AI faked a politician's speech and fooled millions. How do we even trust what we see online anymore? Fact number 9, AI is writing books and school essays. AI like ChatGPT, 4 and Claude are writing entire books and college essays. Example, Amazon now has thousands of AI-written books. Debate, is this the end of real authors? Fact number 10, AI can create digital humans that look 100% real. AI-generated humans are now indistinguishable from real people. Example, websites like thispersondosnotexist.com create fake people. Imagine a world where you can't tell who's real and who's AI. So, after hearing all these AI facts, are you excited or freaked out? Comment below which AI fact surprised you the most. And don't forget to subscribe, because AI is only getting crazier. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.